Korean Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology article. Title is Carbon monoxide activation of delayed rectifier potassium currents of human cardiac fibroblasts through diverse pathways. To identify the effect and mechanism of carbon monoxide on delayed rectifier K+ currents of human cardiac fibroblasts, we used the whole cell mode patch clamp technique. Application of CO delivered by carbon monoxide releasing molecule 3 increased the amplitude of outward K+ currents, and diphenyl phosphine oxide 1 inhibited the currents. CORM3 induced augmentation was blocked by pretreatment with nitric oxide synthase blockers. Pretreatment with KT5823, 1H-quinoxalin 1 KT5720, and SQ22536 blocked the CORM3 stimulating effect on. Continues on the next page. In addition, pretreatment with SB 239063 and PD 98059 also blocked the CORM3's effect on the currents. When testing the involvement of S-nitrosylation, pretreatment of N-ethylmaleimide blocked CO-induced I activation and DL-dithiethritol reversed this effect. Pretreatment with 5, 10, 15, 20 tetrakis 21H, 23H porphyrin manganese pentachloride and manganese tetrakis porphyrin chloride, diphenylioniodonium chloride, or allopurinol also inhibited CO-induced I activation. These results suggest that CO enhances I and HCFs through the nitric oxide phosphorylation by protein kinase G, protein kinase A, and MAPK, S-nitrosylation and reduction, oxidation signaling pathways. Thank you for watching Korean Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology article.